Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, da, da.
Hey guys, it's Aporupa. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the second video of the holiday season. Oh, did I tell you what am I going to make? No. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10, 9, 10. Okay, it's 9 or 10. I'm confused about that. So in this video, I'm going to show you some Christmas ornaments. Now these are very cute and simple and easy to make. Now I had a lot of fun filming this video because these are really cute and tiny DIYs like that I love to make really. So without any further ado, let's get started. To make the first ornament, you're going to need small piece of stick, ribbons of your choice and scissors. Now I'm going to start by cutting a small piece of ribbon and just tying it onto the stick. Just keep adding ribbons of your choice. Once you're happy with how it looks, now just cut the ribbons to a proper tree shape from shorter to longer to the bottom and then just tie a ribbon to it and hang it onto the tree. On to the next one. To make this, you're going to need a piece of cardboard and I'm using a mug. You can use any circular thingy, whatever you have, to make a nice circle and then I'm just going to cut it out. It should look something like this. Now I'm just gonna cover it up with some white paper. You can choose whatever color you like and then just cut the extra paper off. Now here comes the fun part. I'm gonna use a CD. Now this was laying around the house for a really long time and who even uses CDs anymore? So the first thing that I did was cut a small piece of the CD. This will help me to get a grab of this plasticky thingy that was on top of it. So it will be a lot easier if we don't use it. It's gonna be a lot easier to cut the CD up and then I'm just gonna cut it up into small pieces. I'm not using any like lines or measurements how I'm gonna cut this. I'm just cutting it up and just placing it to their place and let's see how it looks. Now once you're happy with how it looks, just glue the pieces to their place. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now let me dim the lights a little so you can see how hollow it looks. Oh, it looks great. I love it. And then I'm just gonna tie a little piece of yarn on the back. Oh, actually I'm just gonna glue it down. I just said tie. I don't know why. Anyways, that rhymed. And then just hang it on the Christmas tree. Now in this one I'm also gonna be using a few sticks. In this one I'm using 3 pieces of stick and I'm just kind of gonna make like a triangle and then just glue it down. This is gonna be a cute reindeer ornament. So for the nose, I'm using a cute little red pom-pom. And for the eyes, I'm using 2 pieces of eyes and then just gluing them down. Just like the others, I'm gonna tie a piece of yarn to it so we can hang it up. For the next one, you're gonna need a piece of ribbon and some beads. Now I'm gonna make these ruffles and after each ruffle, I'm gonna add 1 bead so it would look like a Christmas tree, if that makes sense. And once I'm done with the ruffles, I'm gonna add 3 beads on the top so it would look like a Christmas star. And at the bottom, I'm also gonna be adding 3 beads. Now let's recycle some stuff. I'm gonna be using a toilet paper roll. I'm gonna cover the half of the toilet paper roll in this skin color paper. Is it peach color? I really don't know what this color is called. And then just glue it down. I'm gonna cover the other half in red poster paper. I think you can get a clue by now, like what it's gonna be. Now this is gonna be a Santa Claus. Now our Santa Claus needs eyes, so I'm gonna glue 2 eyes to it. And now for the Santa cap, I'm actually gonna cut a Santa hat and then just glue it onto its head. Now you can use like other fabric and just make a little Santa hat and add a white pom-pom to the end. Now I had this laying around, I thought why don't I just use it? It just saves a lot of work. Now you're gonna need some cotton. You can even use cotton balls. Now I'm gonna make the Santa's beard with this. I'm gonna pull out small pieces like this and then just glue them down to make the Santa's beard. And don't forget to add a nice little pom-pom for the nose because our Santa needs to smell. And lastly, I'm adding 2 buttons to Santa, and that's it. Now this one is a snowman ornament. Now I've already covered it in white poster paper and I'm just drawing the eyes, added a nice cute carrot. Why do I keep bumping into stuff? Anyways, I've added a carrot nose and a nice spike. And don't forget to add 2 buttons. So the next one is an elf ornament. So I have already covered it in green and peach poster paper. Don't forget to add the eyes and a nice little blush because the elf is not complete without a nice pink cheeks. Now let's add a nose and 2 buttons. I feel like buttons just makes everything cuter. I don't know why. Now the last recycled ornament is gonna be a reindeer. Now I'm gonna cut these lines, like 3 lines like this in both the sides and cut the extra things out. It should look something like this. Then I'm adding eyes and a pom-pom nose because I'm in love with pom-poms, and I've also curved the reindeer horn so it looks like an actual reindeer, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna add the yarns to the toilet paper roll. Just slide the yarn inside the toilet paper roll and just pull it through like this. Keep going until you reach the end. Once you're done, it should look something like this. Now take a piece of yarn and just tie it all together like this and cut the extra yarns off. Now once you're done with that, add another piece of yarn through the other yarns and then just tie it onto your Christmas tree and we're done. That was it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye guys!